Tired of wrestling with Localhost just to run your hospital management system? Let's ditch the Localhost hassle and explore how to deploy and use a hospital management system directly from the cloud. First, you'll need to choose a cloud platform provider. Popular options include AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Each offers a range of services suitable for hosting your application. Next, you'll configure your database and application server within your chosen cloud platform. Most providers offer managed database services, which simplify setup and maintenance. Configure your application server and database according to your project's requirements. With your database and application server set up, deploy your hospital management system project files to the cloud server. This typically involves uploading your code and configuring your application server to run your project. Once deployed, access your hospital management system through the public IP address or domain name associated with your cloud server. Now, you can use your hospital management system from anywhere with an internet connection. All your data is stored securely in the cloud, accessible through a web browser or dedicated mobile app. Finally, remember to regularly monitor your system's performance and security. Cloud platforms provide tools to track resource usage, identify potential issues, and ensure your data remains safe. Now you have a secure and easy-to-use system to help manage your hospital's information.